Let us experience His glory. Fill this place. Because our lives cannot remain the same anymore. And Moses was not able to enter into the tent of the congregation because the cloud abode thereon. And the glory of the Lord filled the tabernacle. The glory of the Lord is in this place. When I came in here, I felt it. When Sister Joy started leading the prayer this morning. His glory is awesome in this place. If you think about the kings, the traditional kings, how the people adore them when they come in. Think about the King of Kings, the mighty God, the one who can turn things around in seconds, the one who a day is like 1,000. Just suck yourself. His glory is here. When we were practicing this song yesterday, we almost couldn't sing it. His awesomeness was on us. And I tell you that the Lord started dealing with us, angel voices, yesterday. So connect to your own today. Don't look at anybody. Let your gaze be on the Lion and the Lamb. This is holy moment when God walks in on us. Every gaze is on the Lion and the Lamb. This is holy when God walks in on us. Every gate is on the Lion and the Lamb. This is holy moment. This is holy moment when God walks in on us. When God walks in on us. Every gate is on the Lion and the Lamb. What will you do if He walks in here? When God walks in on us. Every gaze will be on Him. Every gaze will be on Him. If He walks in here, will you still be able to say anything? This is holy moment when God walks in on us. Every gaze, every gaze, every gaze. Fix your eyes on Him. Fix your eyes on Him. Fix your eyes on Him. When the glory comes, when the glory comes, now you know what to say. When the glory comes, when the glory comes, now we know what to say. When the glory the blood, saw him in his glory. She said in her heart, if I can but touch the hem of his garment, if you can but touch the hem of his garment, there is no more to say, because his glory covers this temple, this place. Let your gaze be on him. This is holy moment.
This is holy moment when God works in us. Every gate is on the lion and the lamb.
This is holy moment.
This is holy moment.
Let your gaze be on the lion and the lamb. Is he even here to judge? Is he even here to judge? God is here. He is here to judge, to judge, to judge, to judge. Everything that has troubled your life, he is here to judge.
This is holy moment
When God walks in the earth, when God walks in the earth, when it walks in the earth, it says, arise and shine, for the glory of the Lord is risen upon you. When the glory comes,
when the glory comes, there is no one to say.
we want your glory, we want your glory, we want your glory. There is no one to say. When the glory comes, when the glory comes, we want to see your glory. We want to see your glory. Show us your glory. Show us your glory. Lord, we want to see your glory. Fill this place with your glory. Turn our lives around in your glory.
When the glory comes, there will be no one to say.
When the glory comes,
When the glory comes, there will be no one to say.
I cannot stand your glory, Jesus. I cannot stand your glory, your majesty, your royalty, your power. When the glory comes, when the glory comes, your glory is here, your glory is here, your glory is here, your glory is here, Jesus. Your glory, your glory. When your glory comes, we know your glory is here, Jesus. There's no word to say.
Thank you,
There is no more to say, Jesus. Because you come in your majesty. You come in your majesty to judge, to judge, to judge, to judge the lion and the lamb. Your glory, your glory. Arise and shine, for my glory is risen upon you. There'll be no words to say.